Nisarga from class 9th are here to present one of the most important chapter in our civics textbook, which is democratic rights. What are rights? Well, rights are the claims of the person on other fellow being that the government or other social groups or people cannot force him to do anything on the basis of religion, etc. Rights. Why rights are given in a democracy? Rights are given in a democracy because in a democracy government is elected by the people. If the peoples are not safe, then the government will be unstable on only a majority group. Study of 3 cases where the rights are denied to people. First is the case of Guantanamo Bay, women rights in Saudi Arabia, and the ethnic massacre in Kosovo. The prison of Guantanamo Bay. About 600 people from all over the world are captured in the Guantanamo Bay, which is near the Cuba island, where they are suspected to be the attackers of the 9/11 attack of Twin Tower in USA. Amnesty International. It is a organization where they are finding all over the world that the rights to the people are given or not. They are the one of the mainly characters in Guantanamo Bay, where they expose the reality of US Army that the 600 people are not giving the right, and then the UN means United Nations and the families of there were against it. Women's right in Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, the women did not get right as much proper to men. The men get twice rights of women in such as the education purpose, etc. In the women in South Africa, on religion also the non-Muslim residents cannot follow their religion in private, but can follow their religion in private, not in public. Ethnic massacre in Kosovo. In Kosovo, the population were ethnic of Albanians, but in Yugoslavia, Serbs were in majority. The narrow-minded Serbs nationalists won the election, and they wanted to dominate the country. So there were a civil war on the basis of religion between Serbs and ethnic minorities of Albanians. Rights in Constitution. The Constitution gives us fundamental rights, and India and other democracies gives rights to the people to provide people a good living and to promote the encouragement in government activities. Right to equality. Right to equality Constitution says that there will be no discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, creed, gender, color, etc. The rights of equality is from Article 14 to Article 18. In Article 14, equality before law, which means there is equality in Supreme Court or any other judge or courts, that there will be no discrimination on the basis of rich, poor, religion. Article 15, no discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, creed, etc. As I told that Article 15 is one of the most important article in right to equality, that the people or government should not discriminate any other people on the basis of caste, religion, creed, gender, color. Article 16, opportunity to all. Means that everyone have opportunity to educate and for career goals, that if they are belonging to poor family or any religion that are in minority, they should not work below the rich persons. Article of 17, abolition of untouchability, means that there will be no all the religions narrow-minded thinking that the below castes or religion are should not be touched, like etc. Article 18, abolition of title, which means that any person with high rated title should not be very proud, or should not be use their title for many other things, or can not force people to work under it. Right to freedom. Right to freedom means that there are many rights to freedom in our life, that we can express our thoughts, we can move anywhere to other where we can live freely. So right to freedom means that there will be no interference of anyone in our life. This is provided under Article 19 to Article 22, where Article 19 has 6 parts, Article 19A, B, C, D and E, F. Where the Article 19 states the right to speech. We can speak anything that is acceptable to the social society. Article 19B, right to association, they can form a group or they can form a group. Article 19C, right to assembly, as many of the groups can hold their assembly for any particular thing in an area. Right to movement, we can move all over the world. Article 19E, right to decide, and Article 19F, choose any profession. Article 20, protection is respect of conviction of offence, means that conviction of offence means that there would be protection of a people by not be getting any offence on him. Article 21, right to life, everyone have a right to life in the world, on the that it cannot be discriminated, or it